Now we can also add sound to our AE project. I'm going to double click in the project panel area. I'm going to go into my assets folder and select a audio file. I get a little preview of that audio file up here in terms of its waveform. I'm going to add this to my timeline. I'm going to drag it underneath my lowest asset. I can then play. So I can add a soundtrack to my composition. To render my project, I'm going to go and select File and Export. I'm going to use the built-in option, which is called Add to Render Queue. When I select Render Queue, you'll see it replaces the timeline and gives me the sort of default settings set out here in the bottom of this panel. To render my file, I'm simply going to select the Render button. This will give me an audio sound when my file is finally rendered. If I want more render options, I can then go and select Export, Add to Adobe Media Queue. This is the same option that you use when rendering your Premiere Pro files. When the Media Coder opens up, you will see that it gives you the actual options for exporting your file. For example, here we have the option to change to various different formats. I'm going to leave mine on H.264, a popular format for YouTube and social media. You've also got the option to specify the bit rate. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select my output folder. I'm going to go and select my output folder from within inside my After Effects training. It's going to save it as an MP4 file and I'm going to click Save. I then have to start the render queue. This will then go through the process of producing my movie.